what's so unique about this neighborhood, you don't see it everywhere, is that you have single family homes, you have colonials, you have ranch floor plans, then you have the duplexes sprinkled in. And you have multiple different builders. So it's not one builder throughout. Sometimes the builder likes to make a uniform look throughout, and some people like the differences in having multiple builders so you get different looks throughout the community and everything doesn't look the same. Now in this community, you also have single family homes. This particular home is a ranch layout. So I'm going to take you through and let's go take a look. You've got the high ceilings, the bright windows, 10-foot doors. And instead of this being a half bath, it's actually a full bath right off the bedroom here. These are fun modern spindles here. Bright light laundry room. Let's check it out over here. Need an office? Here you go. I love the glass French doors. Gotta make sure you keep it neat though. And the trim molding. Notice the extra trim everywhere. Huge island. The island's all the things now. You can entertain here. You can have family gatherings. Everybody always stays around the kitchen anyway. Dishwashers here in the island. Nice gas stove. And your pantry. Love the floors and the natural fill. So you've got those lights, the flooring, modern and chic. You've got the stone on the fireplace rather than tile. Are you living, as you can see, an open, spacious floor plan? Everything's right here. This is where you spend most of your time. Covered patio, right? Can you picture yourself here? Great spacious room for the primary owner's suite. Windows, light, tall ceilings, and not only do you have the high ceilings, but you have a tray ceiling on top of it. Now this is the bathroom, right? You have a beautiful vanity area, the double sinks. You've got a huge walk-in shower. Check out how deep that is. And then you also still have your walk-in master. So if you're in the bathroom and you need to get dressed and your spouse is still sleeping, it's okay. You don't have to wake them. The neighborhood with the duplexes, it does have some immediate occupancies as well as home sites to build on. So whether you're looking for right away or down the road, we got you covered. You could add any color and your personal touch on it. So this one's about 30 days out, so it's not finished. So the flooring's not in. Kitchen's not done, but you got this great open kitchen floor plan. We have this fun island, different colors, a lot of cabinets. We're gonna add in either hardwood engineered flooring or vinyl flooring that would be hardwood-like. Check out this covered patio. So here you've got the covered patio, and the best of all with the duplex, maintenance-free living. No cutting the grass, no snow removal. 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors. I love that. What the 10-foot ceilings allow you to do is put the extra transom window, which lets in a lot more natural light. This community is nestled in the heart of Shelby Township. It is offering duplexes, all ranch floor plans. I love the floor plans. With the ranch duplex, you are going to get natural light from all angles. About 1,630 square feet to just over 2,000 square feet. They'll have at least 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and they each have some kind of unique flexible space, whether it be an office or for something else you want to use it for. They do have 9-foot to 11-foot ceilings, which gives a great feel when you walk throughout. They have maintenance-free living, so it's going to take care of your grass and your snow removal. So if you're looking for that type of living, this could be the perfect place for you. What's unique about this community is that you have the duplex community as well as single family homes. So they're all kind of nestled together. The duplexes are all in a row, and that's where you're gonna get your maintenance free. So let's check out some of the floor plans, and you will see that there's high-end amenities, and that's what I love about this community. Now for this floor plan, if you look from the kitchen, you've got space for a table, and this kind of gives you that little sunroom kind of feel, where if you want to calm, read a book, drink your cup of coffee, relax, you've got sun from every angle, and really privacy. I do love the colors of this kitchen, the island color as well as the backsplash. So you'll see they all go with the light quartz countertops. Really nice finishes. They have some different optional things such as some of your trim moldings and that to add some personal touch. Strong vanity, lots of space. Again, they added the fun. This is the modern and fun touch. And you still have the shower seat. Now this is a unique little flex space if you wanted. So when it comes to the building process, these are some of the different options you have on colors. And with my background, what I'm able to do is help you go through when you're looking at the price. Builders will always have a starting price, and then there's the price you end up on. And varies what features are included. So sometimes with some builders, you need to do more upgrades than others. It does depend on the price point. So what you need an agent that's gonna help you figure out exactly what is included and where that final price point might be. And then also help guide you on some of the features. Some of the things you're gonna wanna choose up front because you're not going to want to change, and some of those things you can do later on if you so choose. So it's always good to have guidance. Remember, the person that works for the builder is the one sitting in the office, and you want somebody to represent you. This neighborhood is in the heart of Shelby. What's so great is we're out just past 25 miles. So you're not where all the traffic is. You're right by its award-winning Blue Ribbon schools. You've got Beacon Tree Elementary. So all great schools if you're looking for that. And just a great area in Shelby Township where you're close to shopping and that, but you're also out a little bit so you can avoid the traffic.